I still remember waking up in a pool of sweat last July. My AC had died, and the air inside was thick, stale, and absolutely miserable. Buying a whole house fan sounded like the perfect fix, but navigating the market was a nightmare of confusing specs and loud rattling motors. Well, you do not have to suffer through that trial and error. I have tested the top units out there. Let me explain which ones actually work. Tamarack Technologies. This is best for someone who just wants a straightforward, budget-friendly entry into home cooling without tearing apart their entire attic. You know, when I first got my hands on the Tamarack, I was pretty hopeful about what it could do. It promises an easy installation and decent airflow for the price point they ask. The design is honestly pretty basic, which is not always a bad thing when you just want to move some air out of your living room. I set it up in a standard hallway, and it immediately started pulling in the cool evening breeze through the front windows. But here is what matters. You start to notice the corners they cut to keep the retail price so low. The build quality feels a little flimsy when you actually handle the metal housing during the setup. I mean, it works fine, but the metal is not exactly as thick as you would want for a machine bolted directly into your ceiling joists. When I fired it up the first few nights, the noise level was definitely noticeable from down the hall. It's not exactly a jet engine taking off, but if you're trying to watch a movie or have a quiet conversation in the next room, you're going to be turning the volume up to compensate. And then there are the insulated doors on top. They're supposed to seal up tight during the winter months so you don't lose all your expensive heating into the attic. 4. Quietcool QCCL 1500 RF. This is best for homeowners looking for a reliable mid-tier option that offers remote control convenience without spending a fortune. I mean, the company name literally says quiet, so my expectations were immediately riding high. The installation was a bit more involved than the Tamarack, but nothing a determined weekend DIYer could not handle on a Saturday afternoon. The included wireless radio frequency remote is a really nice touch that adds serious value. You can adjust the fan settings right from your bed, which is honestly a massive game changer when the house finally cools down completely at 2 in the morning. But let us talk about the actual daily performance. It definitely moves air very well, and the wireless remote is super responsive from anywhere in the house. The motor physically suspends from the attic rafters using straps, which is supposed to completely isolate the vibration from your ceiling. Well, it does help mostly. I still felt a subtle mechanical hum vibrating through the drywall when it was running on the absolute highest speed setting. It is definitely much quieter than a traditional ceiling mount fan, but I certainly would not call it completely silent. You know, the gravity dampers on this unit are decent, but I ran into a bit of an annoying snag during my testing phase. Sometimes those dampers would stick just a tiny fraction of an inch open after the fan shut off. Centric Air QA Deluxe 5500. This is best for people with larger homes who need serious cooling power and heavily insulated dampers for extreme weather climates. The moment you unbox it, you can physically feel the difference in the overall build quality. The components are heavy, solid steel and feel like they were built to easily last a decade of hard use. I installed this in a much larger 2-story house, and I was genuinely surprised by how quickly it changed the entire atmosphere of the massive floor plan. The sheer cooling power on this thing is absolutely massive. When I flipped the wall switch, I could literally feel the breeze pulling from the downstairs living room windows all the way up the stairs to the second floor. It clears out stale, trapped hot air in a matter of minutes flat. And, you know, despite moving all that massive air volume, the noise level is surprisingly well managed. They use a custom acoustical ducting tube that really muffles the loud sound of the rushing air. One of my absolute favorite things about the Centric Air is the insulated damper system. Unlike the previous models I tested, this one has a high-density foam damper set that seals incredibly tight. I mean, it is basically like putting an extra layer of thick insulation right over the giant hole in your ceiling. I checked it with a thermal imaging camera during a cold snap, and there was zero heat leakage detected. 2. AirScape. This is best for tech-savvy homeowners who want whisper-quiet operation and smart home integration to perfectly automate their night cooling. Well, I have to admit right here, I was completely blown away by the engineering they put into this unit. AirScape takes a totally different architectural approach to whole house cooling. They focus heavily on premium-grade materials and ultra-quiet daily operation. I tested their unit extensively, and the very first time I turned it on, I actually had to climb a ladder to check the ceiling grill to make sure it was actually running. That is exactly how quiet it is on the lower speed settings. The real secret here is their industrial-grade motor technology. These motors are ridiculously efficient and smooth running. You do not get any of that rattling or mechanical humming that you typically find in cheaper big box store models. I mean, you can literally have this running right outside your master bedroom door, and you will sleep right through the entire night. It just sounds like a very faint, distant wind outside. For anyone who is highly sensitive to background noise, this is an absolute dream come true. The digital controls. They have this amazing smart controller that gives you 10 different precise speed settings. It's not just simple high and low. You can dial in the exact amount of airflow you need for the temperature outside. Plus, it displays the actual attic temperature right on the digital screen. Field Controls VentCool S-Class. This is best for the homeowner who demands the absolute perfect balance of extreme cooling power, zero noise, and bulletproof long-term reliability. You know, I have tested a lot of heavy HVAC equipment over the years, and it takes a whole lot to impress me these days. But the VentCool S-Class is just on another completely different level of quality. From the exact moment I unboxed it, I could easily tell this was commercial-grade equipment scaled down perfectly for residential home use. I installed this exact model in my own home, and it completely eliminated my need to ever run the AC during the spring and early summer. The sheer airflow on this specific unit is simply violent in the absolute best way possible. It pulls a massive, heavy vacuum on the entire house, pulling fresh, cold air through every cracked window almost instantly. But the real magic is exactly how they handle the air noise. They use a highly specialized acoustic silencer duct that is significantly thicker and vastly more sound absorbent than anything else currently on the market. I mean, even on full blast, it is actually quieter than my kitchen refrigerator running. They use a proprietary heavy-duty insulated damper door that is perfectly weight balanced. When the fan kicks on, it opens incredibly smoothly without any annoying metal clanking sounds. When it shuts, it forms an incredible impenetrable thermal barrier.